welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Valjean Wenzel and I'm really excited to share with you my Assessment 6 of BPT 1501, introducing a fun and effective educational tool called Code. I'm a UNISA student and one of the things I'm truly passionate about is making learning more interactive, engaging, and enjoyable for everyone involved. As someone who has either participated in or facilitated various learning environments, I've come to appreciate the importance of using creative methods to maintain attention, reinforce learning, and encourage participation. And Kahoot is a perfect example of that. For today's topic, it's urbanization and is aimed at the grade 12 learners. I'll be using a PowerPoint presentation explaining to the learners the topic of urbanization. For example, what is urbanization? Examples of urbanization. In urbanization around the world. Thereafter, I will be using my educational tool, Kahoot, to assist the understanding. So, what exactly is Kahoot? Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that allows users to create, share, and play educational quizzes and discussion. It was developed with the intention of making classroom learning more dynamic and interactive, and it has since grown into a widely used tool across schools around the world. Code works by allowing a teacher to create a set of multiple choice questions, often referred to a code quiz or code game, which are then projected on a screen. Participants can join the game on their own devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or computers, using a unique game pin or by scanning the unique QR code. Once everyone is in, the game begins and the participants answer questions in real life, earning points based on accuracy and speed. Here's a short demonstration of how code works. So on the left we have the projection to the learners, usually used on a projector. And to the right is what each learner get to see on their smartphone. So basically learners are asked questions where they can see on screen and get to answer on their mobile phones. Code can be used in education in many creative and effective ways. Teachers can use it to review materials before a test, introduce new concepts in a lively format, or assess students' understanding in an informal, low-pressure setting. It can be tailored for any subject: maths, science, geography, languages, arts, and many more. What makes it especially versatile is that it supports various types of content, such as images, videos, and even diagrams, allowing educators to build a richer and more immersive learning experience. Additionally, some students can also create their own codes. It encourages them to actively engage with the material by thinking critically about what questions to ask and how to phrase them. This flips the traditional model of learning, giving learners more ownership of the process. One of the biggest benefits of code is that it makes learning fun and enjoyable. Let's be honest, sitting through long classes or reading dense textbooks can sometimes be tedious. But when you introduce a competitive, fast paced game where learners can test their knowledge, see their progress on a leaderboard, and maybe even win a small prize or some recognition, the, ener- the energy in the room completely changes. The game-like atmosphere triggers excitement and curiosity, which naturally boosts engagement and motivation. Even students who might be shy or hesitant to participate in traditional classroom discussions often feel more comfortable joining in through code because they can respond anonymously through their own devices. This inclusive environment fosters a sense of community, collaboration, and friendly competition, all of which are powerful ingredients for deeper learning. In conclusion, Kahoot is much more than just a quiz tool. It's a dynamic educational resource that transforms the way we teach and learn. By combining